Okay, so as I said before, I thought they banned these around here because one day they were all on the shelves, and then when the Four Loko went the other week, they all went. So I thought the county banned them or state banned them. I didn't really know. I've only had them twice. They sell them at the CVS right down the street. Now, I remember them. First time I drank it out of a glass, and it tasted like a flat beer sitting in the sun, even though it was cold. Second time I had it, I drank it out of the can, and it tasted like beer mixed with nail polish remover mixed with beer urine. So I guess it's not a good beer. I mean, I've had 12% beers before that were totally kick ass, and I don't think I'm gonna try to make this a chugging, see how fast I can do this. But I drink beers pretty fast anyway, but I don't know if I'm gonna drink this one too fast. But I don't want this to get warm, so here we are. And like Bruce 40 said, it's got the cool black cap. I mean, I think the bottle's pretty cool. It looks like a graffiti in fucking New York or some shit. Fucking Newark, New Jersey, over the fucking Parkway Passway. It looks like some graffiti like that. And yeah, it's a pretty nasty beer from what I remember. And I haven't had it in a long time. So I'm already burping from it. Let's get at it. Matter of fact, I'm going to pop a hole in the back of it. Oh, it smells like gym socks. Doesn't even smell like a beer. So let's go. Let's see what we get from here. If I feel like chugging it after the first one, then I will. It tastes like yeah, I don't really know. I taste bread yeast. It's all I really taste. I mean, it tastes like bread yeast. It's just putting a bread odor in my nose, even like cheap white bread. It tastes like cheap white bread. Like, you remember the Aldi's before? Or, one of those discount supermarkets? Oh, it's horrible. I almost bought fucking 6 of these today. But yeah, if you ever been to Aldi's, and you get that bread there, it's like or Safeway or some shit like that. And they have this bread, it's cheap bread. And it like crumbles apart when you try to put fucking butter spread on it. When you eat it alone, all you taste is bread yeast, baker's yeast. I don't even think they used a lager yeast on this beer. I don't even taste beer. I taste bread. I've heard of like prisoners taking white bread and mixing it with fruit and juice. This is like if you were to take corn sugar and a very small amount of malt extract and mix it with white bread. This is what you would end up with. It's horrible. This is not a lager. I don't know what this is. I don't know what they would consider this. It makes me cringe. I don't know. I've heard people be like, "Oh, this stuff's awesome. This stuff's great." You know, I've only had it twice, but it's just horrible. And I can chug a quart in a minute 15 seconds. I got about this much left in the can, and it's like, whew, it's like fire. It's literally making my stomach hurt. Call me a pussy, call me what you will, but I fucking grew up on Steel Reserve, and I grew up on high gravity beers, drinking them since I was like 16 years old. I've been drinking fucking the OE high gravity. I drink everything high gravity, and I even drank the more expensive. I've made more expensive beers. I've brewed my own high gravity beers, and oh God. It makes your burps burn your throat. This is yeah, this is not going to be on the market for a very long time, I don't think. I think it's made by Ford. Yeah, it is. It's made by Ford. Yeah, Bruce said this in one of his videos. Drink Ford Brewing Company. So it's made by the same people that make Four Loko. But yeah, that's why I thought it was banned, because I thought the company closed down. But yeah, it's disgusting. So I'm gonna finish it off, and I'll catch you guys later. Oops, no spill.